Hi guys, join me for this short ride over to the Lakeside Lodge. On arrival, I shall be given a proper greeting and showing you a room tour. In the meantime, between time, sit back, relax, grab your snacks and enjoy the ride.
You live different town, city?
London.
London,
Yes, yes, very busy city life.
I wanna live in Buckingham. Oh, I used to live in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay, okay. The countryside, less pollution,
Yeah,
is more healthier. Yes, countryside and seaside. Yes. Oh wow, that was quick.
yeah. No, this is so beautiful.
Oh, look at the lake. That's not good. Oh dear,
I can do it.
the tractor. Oh, he's reversing. Oh, how funny. That's so funny.
You see the flower position is different. Yeah, yeah. Hard, a bit hard like that.
Yeah.
Sitting here, you see the glass this side. This bad.
Yeah, it's gone here backwards. Oh, bless.
No.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Oh, they've got canoes. That's interesting. Oh, wow. Greetings, my lovelies. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome. Nice of you to join us. So yeah, excuse the voice, darlings. I've been on a journey and we have arrived at our destination. I'm going to turn the camera around and give you guys a quick room tour. You have the bathroom. Look at the wood feature. It's very nice laid out. Now the theme is purple and pine. Guys, it goes very well, even the carpet, okay? So I'm going to spin it around like this. Now, taking you around, let's start from the left and work our way around. So yeah, on this side, you have a coffee table with the seating area there. And of course, you can adjust it and position it in front there. And then you have the lights. Look at the art in theme with the purple. And I love the burnt orange and the fire glow. It reminds me of the old Edison type light bulbs. And guys, yes, I'm going to do the fit for the day, but I was traveling in something very nice, very comfortable, very loose, and it looks elegant. In the meantime, between time, here is the headboard. The headboard is leather, and you have the side tables down there with a little compartment. And yeah, the bed comfortable. The mattress is the right type of firmness. And again, I like the contrast with the two pine wood. Yeah, one's light and the other is gloss. Okay, so we've got a radiator by the bed, but it's summer, it's unneeded. And yeah, look at the curtains, keeping in contrast with the theme. And you've got a generous amount of hangers, pine wardrobe, lovely. You could tell the furniture is custom made to accommodate the space. Okay, you have a fan down there that's going to come in handy and some type of hook over there. You've got the towels laid out in this compartment there. I think I may put some items because there's no drawers, but again, sufficient amount of space. Got Samsung TV, and you can cast from your phone. And of course, you've got these lights here as well. I'll figure out how to turn it on a bit later. Yeah, there's a switch here, I believe. Okay, so I'll sort out those lights a bit later. Hi guys, so yeah, we're making our way across. Down there, the hospitality tray is looking very generous. 2 cups, and they've got still water ready. You've got your Biscoff, and yeah, the layout, presentation, definitely lovely. And you've got milk, Nescafe Gold. Wow. Yeah, that's the one I actually use at home. You've got the decaf and PG tips. And yeah, you've got the sugar. I'm not sure if there's Demerara, but they did say if there's anything I would like, just ring the number basically. And all the instructions are down there. The kettle, lovely, clean, bin, good to go. So guys, this is the luggage. So I've gone with suede, again in keeping with the browns. So it's lovely suede texture, and it's Skylark 29, so that's 29 inches in capacity. And yep, the handle goes up. It's four wheels, swivel wheels, and it's got this compartment here. The material feels fantastic. Oh wow. And then it has another large compartment there, and the inside part. Yes guys, I have been traveling, and continue to do so by the grace of God. So we stopped off at Sainsbury's as well as guys, can't the branding. Seriously, because you get certain items at one place and then other items at the other, depending on what they have. It'll be really handy if they had it all in one. But yeah, so we've got our theft-proof pink and white backpack, and we've got a Primark bag down there as well. I'm getting carried away with the branding, guys, but that's got some gifts in there. Okay, so yeah, that's I've already arrived and gone on a picnic. I was exploring the grounds, and yeah, I spread out the blanket and what have you. I had snacks and yeah, bought all of that stuff, book to read and blanket. Yeah, as well as my headphones, etc. So here's the fit. Here's how it's looking. And yeah, this ensemble was a gift. It was a Christmas present from my beautiful family. Yes, shout out to my brother and the missus. And yeah, they know my taste very well. This is something I will definitely have picked out myself. And it's loose, comfortable, light, good quality material. And it has the wrap top. Yes. So normally I'll jump in the shower and get ready for dinner, but like I said, I had a picnic earlier on. So what we're going to do is put this over this, and yeah, we have a reservation at the steakhouse. I believe it's called the Dragon. Um, yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I've already seen the menu. So again, the sun was blazing today, so we've gone with the brown contrast with the outfit. But it wasn't really to match the outfit, guys. It's the right shade. You can tell, you see the tint? Okay, right. Yeah, practicality first and foremost, and then presentation. Yeah, comfort is a must. So yeah, that is how the room is looking. But guys, the grand finale. Should I show you the view outside, or shall I wait for my morning vlog to say this is what I've woken up to? I think we're gonna wait for the morning vlog. Okay guys, so let me take you into the bathroom, and it is a sliding door. Let's turn on the light. And ta-da! Hi guys. Yeah, here we are. There's the tap, shaving socket. This is ideal for me anyways. Yeah, because I'm right near the entrance, so it's easy to come in and out. I'm tempted. I'm by the window, I'm tempted, but I'm definitely going to save it for my good morning vlog. So thank you for tuning in to UK Travel and Lifestyle. Looking forward to our next adventure whilst we are here. So yeah, onwards and upwards. See you at the steakhouse, guys. I'm dining at alfresco. So we've got the mayo, the ketchup, we're missing mustard, and we had crispy coated prawns. Guys, the prawns was delish. That's why I finished all of it, and there's nothing left in the plate. Normally you leave a little bit, you know, etiquette wise, but waste not, want not. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. I'm had the sirloin well. Next time I'll do it medium well. But yeah, freshly cut chips, and you've got the grilled tomato and merlot. Yeah, so Sunday I'm looking forward to trying out their carvery, and yeah, buon appetito. So here's the view whilst I'm dining al fresco at the Willen Dragon.
Maybe I want to show you something. Hey, come here.